Alright guys, this is a follow-up video about the FreeVision Vilta SE, a great little tool that I use all the time. It's basically a robotic stand for your iPhone or other phones, and it works really well. Now, it also comes with this app here, the FreeVision app, and then you need to sort of connect it, your phone using Bluetooth to it. But I don't usually do that. What I usually do is I have my regular camera set up with video or photo, and all you got to do really is just put it in place. And you see right now it's not balanced, so all you got to do is turn it around, balance it out roughly there, and then you turn it on. Once you turn it on, you're able to sort of adjust it any way you want, and it makes your videos a whole lot smoother and better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.